Tesla has finally broken the $2,000 mark, and they've been holding steady for a few days now with no major sell-offs. On July 1st, I made a video entitled, "Is 1,000 plus the new normal for Tesla?" It's surreal seeing such a huge jump in such a short period of time. And if we change our chart over the long term, we can see there has been massive jumps recently. In that previous video, I talked about the extreme support Tesla had at the $1,000 price point. There were a few dips, some major, but it climbed back every time. I predicted that Tesla would definitely hold that $1,000 mark over the long term and continue to go up. As it turned out, I was right, really right. Tesla blew past the $1,000 mark, and we're now at the $2,000 mark. However, with the upcoming stock split, this video is really more about the $400 mark. I have a video about the split and its implications for options contracts. I'll have that linked in the description below, as well as the previous Tesla $1,000 mark video. Now, we definitely have less data to work with, but it's kind of looking like a similar story. There were dips, but no major sell-offs with those dips. People are clinging to their Tesla stock pretty aggressively, and that seems to be a theme. There are profit takers, but also a lot of people who are betting on Tesla in the long term. The big difference I see this time is that the Tesla stock split has been priced in. There are certainly people and institutions expecting major individual investments with the lowered share price. If cash doesn't come flowing in, I could see a dip over the short term. Additionally, with any major growth, you tend to see a correction. As the saying goes, all reactions are overreactions when it comes to the stock market, and Tesla has had a lot of reactionary news. The Tesla stock split, the S&P 500 inclusion, upcoming battery day, and the upcoming vaccine, which has implications for the entire market. So, because of that, I wouldn't be surprised if we do see some red after the split, as expectations might not be met. And this is true every time you cross a milestone. Even if battery news has fantastic news, it might not turn out that well in the market, or at least see a minor dip still. And really, this is true of any major event. It might end up like Nvidia stock, where earnings happen, they blow past all of the expectations, but their stock still goes down for a few days. Some people are expecting the moon, others are wanting a spike so they can sell, and when they don't get that, they just take profit. But I think a lot of things are looking up for Tesla, and they obviously have huge support, especially in the stock market. Personally, I don't actually own Tesla stock. I sell Tesla put spreads over the long term. I'd say the strategy is riskier than owning stock, but less risky than buying calls. This is very profitable for me since Tesla is one of the most shorted stocks ever. So there are a lot of people buying short positions. It also has a really high implied volatility, so premiums are quite large. Additionally, I really like that it lets me make use of margin without paying interest. I have a lot of positions I've held for a while, and I'm not closing out on them despite being up a healthy amount. I honestly think Tesla is going to continue around this price target and continue forward, at least over the long term. As I said, sometimes you see corrections, even after major events, even if the events seem good. But I'm definitely bullish on Tesla over the long term. Best of luck to everyone out there, and congratulations to Tesla and Tesla stockholders. Personal finance and investing can be hectic, but navigating it correctly can be very rewarding.